Hi there, I'm Michael Coleman and today I'm here at the Miniature Rock and Water Fairy Garden. Everything is in miniature, like the bridge. There we go. It was created in the winter of 1937, 1938. That's for the fairies. See if we can spot any. Let's have a look. It's held up well. There's a little shelter for them. The waterfall. I expect that runs on sunny days. Another little shelter there. And I've spotted the first fairy. Oh look, a lot of people have made wishes in here as well. Oh look, there's a little something there in the water. See a lovely little boat. John Boy. Let's have a look. Now I can see that is a fairy. Yeah, that's definitely a fairy. There we go. So there's a fairy there. See if we can spot any others. Did just spot a tadpole. There we go. There's another little fairy bridge there. Let's have a look. So beautiful. Let's have a look. And you can post letters to the fairies there. That's really great. Let's have a look. That's beautiful. Let's see. Now I've spotted somewhere for the fairies to have tea. Look, there's a little shelter there with chairs and a table made out of little mushrooms, and a tea set is ready for them to have their tea. But they're not there at the moment. Let's see, let's have a look if we can see any other fairies. Maybe they're not out at the moment, or they've gone out. Maybe they've gone out for the day. Oh look, there's this little stairway for them there, look. There we go. There's some little stairs for them. Anyway, I'm going to carry on looking and see if I can find some more. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed that. The lovely fairy garden on the Esplanade at Scarborough. Well worth a visit. It was part of someone's garden when they passed. They donated it to the borough. And there's this lovely little area of green garden that you can enjoy too. Thanks for now. Bye.